Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 BMW X5. Any screen, you can either click the menu in the center there, the center button, and go to telephone, select telephone, or you can just click telephone, the easiest way. And then you've got phone book, last number redial, receive calls, dial number, and Bluetooth devices. That's what we want, Bluetooth devices. Add new device, but it also shows a list of paired devices. My phone's paired there, that's the one I want to delete. So I highlight that and then I click the rotary control towards me. It's not immediately obvious there because you've got the split screen switch off control display, but here if we navigate down, you've got configure device or remove device. Now if you go into configure, there you go, you can select whether you want it to use it as telephone or audio. So if you can't stream music or anything like that, go into that setting and just make sure there's a tick there. So Barry's iPhone, we highlight it, tick over to the right, down to remove device, click remove device, and it's gone. That's it.